Kind of rusty, but it's alright.
Rusty what? Nasty.
Nah, rusty.
That's old, man, nasty.
Spider webs and everything.
I know because I don't drive it. It's dusty. I don't drive it. I don't drive it. Everything dusty, road dust. I don't drive it.
That's hot.
Yeah, it's not hot.
Intake right there.
The what?
I said the intake's right there.
You know, that's a mass airflow, boy.
Huh? Where's the intake?
Right here.
I can't see.
Intake right down here. This is what this bolted on.
Oh,
this is this throttle body. This is what this throttle body is bolted on. This intake GT40. This is a regular intake. Now, if I had that GT40, it'd be square. It'd be made square. You know what I'm saying? It's more these here, the hoses are more like this. Here, it'd be square. It'd be bigger.
Ready? Can I start up?
Master clutch. You got master clutch in. Well, you better not go.
I'm not.
Too long anyway.
Not too long.
You're too long. But the seat all the way back. I'm gonna tell you. You get in.
Oh!
And you master clutch. That ain't the clutch, man. See, you don't know what you're doing.
Where's the clutch?
Oh, get out.
No. Let me
No, hell no.
Oh, I see.
No, you don't.
The clutch is right here.
No, the clutch. Get out. No.
Grandpa, come on.
No, I can't you for a ride.
Can you just rev it? Can you just start it at least?
You couldn't. You don't know what the clutch is. You got it.
I see the clutch right there.
Where the clutch at? This is the clutch, man. This is the clutch right here.
Yo.
You don't even know. You don't even know. That's the clutch right there. Well, you better go mess with my car. Don't mess with nothing but the accelerator. Revving. I mean, like, don't like blow it up. Mess it easy. What's the shit you can't get on the shit? No, man, that's the brake, believe.
Oh, right here. Yeah, it's close. Yeah, it's close. What year is this?
87.
What's the model? Okay, Grandpa.
Yeah, she did second gear.
You should take this. You should take this to drag races, grandpa. Or a pit. That's snake boat right there, isn't it? Look at him right here.
Huh? She's spinning, she's turning them, doesn't she? She's turning every one of them, doesn't she?
One more time, grandpa, one more time.
This is it.
This is it. But can I get out before you do it? So I can
Right.
Okay.
Take the video. Let me see where my phone is.
I'm gonna send to Nana, then Nana gonna send to you.
Get in the corner.
The corner right there?
Yeah.
Alright guys. Woo! Y'all stay tuned to the next video. Hopefully he passes it down to me before, you know, when he get older. Feel me? But, you know, yeah. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Bye.